All right, folks, gather round. Today I've got something special that's going to elevate your dinner game, potato gratin with a twist. We're talking creamy, dreamy layers of potatoes, but with a secret ingredient that's going to blow your mind, bay leaves. Now let's dive in. First off, let's talk about potatoes. They're the backbone of this dish, so pick some good starchy ones like russets or Yukon Golds, peel them up and slice them thin. You want uniform slices so they cook evenly. Trust me, this step is crucial. Now here's where it gets interesting. Grab yourself a few bay leaves. Yes, those little green leaves you usually toss into soups and stews. They're going to impart a subtle aromatic flavor that pairs perfectly with the richness of the cream and cheese. Take a small saucepan and pour in about 500 milliliters of double cream. Add in 2 bay leaves and let them infuse over a low heat. This is our secret weapon. It infuses the cream with a beautifully aromatic flavor. Let it gently bubble away for about 10 minutes, then take out the bay leaves. Now while that's infusing, let's get our cheese situation sorted. You'll need about 200 g of grated Gruyere or cheddar, something with a bit of bite. A mix of both works wonders too. Alright, time to assemble. In a baking dish, start layering your potato slices. A little overlap is perfect. Season each layer with salt, pepper and a sprinkle of cheese, then pour over some of that glorious bay-infused cream. Repeat until your dish is nearly full. For the top layer, go all out with the cheese. A nice, thick blanket of cheesy goodness. Cover the dish with foil and pop it into a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 45 minutes. Then remove the foil and let it cook for another 15-20 minutes to get that golden bubbly top. Oh, and here's a tip. Let it rest for about 10 minutes before serving. This helps everything set and makes it easier to slice. And there you have it. Potato gratin with a bay leaf twist. It's creamy, cheesy, and has that unique aromatic hint that'll have everyone asking for seconds. So next time you're looking to impress, give this a go. Happy cooking. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed this twist on a classic. See you next time.